Oh, look at Papa's first visitors. I don't want to scare them away. Look at Daddy looking over while Pecky eats. Hi, Pecky. Hi, Poppy. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, no kitty cat. Hi, you guys. Go ahead. Get your food. Go ahead. It's okay. Get your food. Their dad took a big chunk. See, Pecky trusts me. Yeah, Pecky gets her food too. Yeah, everybody hunts at the same time. Wow. You're pecking them blueberries out of there, huh? Yep. You like those. Wow. Can I have one? Oh, I hear the sound. I hear the sound. You're my buddy. Okay, go ahead. You better eat. You got babies to feed. Go ahead. Good birdie. Yeah, you got babies to feed, huh? Go ahead, eat your food. You're welcome. Blueberries. Ooh, they look good. Yeah, you're taking your time. You better get back to your nest, you little pig.